Welcome to my Las Vegas adventure. Traveling Karina here, and I'm excited to show you that you can have a great time and conquer Vegas on a budget. Las Vegas is known for its incredible food, lavish drink options, and enticing attractions. It's easy to get carried away with spending, but Vegas can also be a lot of fun on a budget. Since I usually go to Vegas for a week at a time, I'm always on the lookout for great deals. And in this video, I'm excited to share my best finds and tips with you. Epic deal alert number 1. If you're downtown Las Vegas, don't miss out on the fantastic deal at the Grand. For just $2, you can enjoy a Nathan's hot dog and a draft beer. That's right, you get both for only $2. You will find the best prices at convenience stores and retail shops like ABC, CVS, or Target for beverages and snacks. These stores are located all throughout the Strip and offer better deals on water, soda, and alcoholic beverages than the hotels and casinos. For the absolute best prices, check out the convenience stores and gas stations closer to either end of the Strip. For example, there is an AM/PM between and directly across from the Luxor and Excalibur hotels and a Circle K close to the Strat. I found that the prices for beverages and snacks are the best at these locations because they are not in the heart of the Strip. Additionally, if you're okay with fountain drinks, these spots offer fantastic deals. On my last visit, I was able to get extra large fountain drinks for under $1, which was very helpful staying hydrated in the Vegas heat. Quick tip: the first thing that I do when I arrive in Vegas is head to the nearest store to pick up a large jug of water and a case of Diet Coke for my room. This is the cheapest way to ensure I always have something on hand and won't be tempted to purchase from the hotel, where prices for drinks and snacks are the most expensive. Epic deal alert number 2. Ocean One inside Planet Hollywood offers a $5.99 lunch menu and all-day 3 cocktails for $12. I've heard other YouTube influencers rave about this place for a while now, but I finally just tried it out on my last visit, and I was blown away. The portion sizes for $5.99 are incredible, and the menu is extensive. I'll definitely be visiting again. The myVegas app is a free and fun way to earn and redeem points for cool perks in Vegas. I've been playing this app for many years and have scored many free, discounted, and BOGO items during my vacations. On my most recent trip, I redeemed points for a free drink at Mandalay Bay and a buy one get one free voucher for the Excalibur buffet. You can also get deals on show tickets and hotel stays using this app. There are many places on the Las Vegas Strip that host happy hour deals, making it a great way to try new things and get fantastic bargains. These deals can be found at various times of the day, so keep an eye out for promotional signs. My favorite happy hour spot is the Pepper Mill, not only for the food, but the fun ambiance. The Pepper Mill is a must-visit for anyone who wants to experience a piece of Vegas history. This place has great food, amazing service, generous portion sizes, and unique decor. Their happy hour runs 3 to 6 p.m. daily, and I try to visit every time I'm in Vegas. On my last visit, there were 2 of us, and we ordered 4 items from the happy hour menu to share. Honestly, we could have done with only 3. Epic deal alert number 3. El Cortez, located in downtown Las Vegas on Fremont Street, has a fantastic promotion. Show your flight boarding pass to Vegas at their rewards desk to receive a $25 blackjack match play voucher, a somewhere between $10 and $100 slot play voucher, and a free drink. Well, okay. Many hotels offer a rewards card that you can sign up for, and the best part is they are free. These programs come with various perks depending on your play and visits. Most hotels provide some sort of incentive to get you to sign up, such as free slot play, a small gift, or vouchers for Vegas activities. On my most recent visit, I signed up for the newest hotel rewards program at Fontainebleau. Right now, they are offering $15 in slot play and a $15 food and drink voucher for use at their hotel when you sign up. Not bad, right? I walked away with a $7 win and a complimentary lunch. Even if you choose not to use the rewards card, it makes for a fun keepsake. Walking and exploring is truly the best way to experience Vegas. but I understand that it's not always possible, especially with the super hot weather, and sometimes your feet need a break. So I've found the best options for getting around Vegas that are either free or reasonably priced. First up is the free tram that runs between Mandalay Bay, Luxor, and Excalibur. It's a convenient way to explore these three resorts. Another free option is the Aria Express tram, which connects Park MGM, Aria, and Bellagio. However, keep in mind that this tram is located at the back of the resorts, so you will need to walk through the hotels to reach the Strip. Still, it's a great way to beat the heat if you're traveling between Park MGM and Bellagio. The Downtown Loop is a free bus service that takes you to several points of interest in downtown Las Vegas, including Fremont Street, the Mob Museum, and the North Outlet Mall. And for a broader view of the Strip, consider the double-decker Deuce bus. It stops at many Strip hotels and attractions. You can get a one-time pass for $6, a 24-hour pass for $8, or a 3-day pass for $20, which is a great deal if you plan to use it frequently. Epic Deal Alert number 4. Check out the $2 deal at Slots of Fun located next to Circus Circus. You can get a draft beer, hot dog, shrimp cocktail, or popcorn for just $2 each. A perfect budget-friendly snack while exploring the Strip. Las Vegas is bursting with attractions and things to do, but I'm here to share some of the free and budget-friendly options that you won't want to miss. The Bellagio fountains are an iconic water show that is a must-see. The fountains dance to music every 15 to 30 minutes, offering a wonderful display. And then just inside the Bellagio is the Conservatory and Botanical Gardens. This beautiful conservatory changes 5 times a year, featuring stunning seasonal displays. Another free attraction to check out is the Sphere from the outside. It's hard to miss, and its mesmerizing outer display and massive scale make it a spectacular sight, especially in the evenings. For the best view from the Strip, head to the pedestrian sidewalk between Wynn and Palazzo. You can stay close to the Strip or make your way to right beside the Sphere for an up-close experience. Visit themed stores like M&M's World, the Coca-Cola Store, and Hershey's Chocolate World to explore unique merchandise and snap photos with your favorite characters. M&M's World spans 4 levels of fun, while Hershey's Chocolate World showcases the latest flavors and combinations. Enjoy these attractions without any obligation to purchase. And similar to the previous idea, explore the themed hotels that Vegas has to offer. My favorites include the Luxor, Venetian, New York, and the Orleans, which is located off the Strip. Each hotel has unique interiors and experiences that make them worth a visit. Plus, it doesn't cost a thing to look around and take pictures. The Pinball Hall of Fame is a nostalgic and fun way to spend some time without spending a lot of money. This museum is full of retro pinball machines, and if you choose to play, it's incredibly affordable, as some games only take a couple of quarters. Otherwise, it's free to enter and browse. Head to downtown Las Vegas to enjoy the Fremont Street experience, where a vibrant light and sound show takes place on a canopy above the pedestrian walkway. While you are there, take some time to walk around and soak in the live entertainment, marvel at the classic older hotels, and explore the unique container park. This is also an excellent spot to people watch, souvenir shop, and get good deals on food and drink. Quick tip: my favorite budget-friendly spot to eat on Fremont Street is the Binion's Cafe inside the Binion's Hotel. I eat here on every Vegas visit because the experience is consistently top-notch. The customer service is impeccable. You're seated and attended to right away. The portion sizes are generous, the prices are reasonable, and the staff makes you feel truly welcome. I always leave with a smile on my face. Epic Deal Alert number 5. Here's another great hot dog deal, this time a footlong. Inside the Casino Royale food court, you can get a footlong hot dog for just $3.50. Add a drink and you're still spending under $10 for a quick and satisfying bite. Souvenir shopping in Las Vegas can be both fun and affordable if you know where to go. These are the places that I usually go to for the best deals. The Welcome to Las Vegas store offers a wide variety of iconic keepsakes. The ABC store is another great option with a mix of souvenirs, snacks, and everyday essentials. And don't miss the Bonanza gift shop, which is the world's largest gift shop near the Strat, where you will find an endless selection of Vegas-themed items. Lastly, the shops on Fremont Street provide a vibrant atmosphere and plenty of budget-friendly souvenirs. Thanks for joining me on this budget-friendly Vegas adventure. I hope these tips help you save you money while having an amazing time. So tell me, what deal are you most looking forward to? Leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. And I will see you in the next video.